Welcome back, friends. Today we are learning about continents of the world. I am Arnav Wankhede. Pangaea. Before 230 million years ago, there was only one continent. This continent was known as Pangaea. Then after many years, Pangaea broke up and formed continent. Asia. Asia is the largest continent by land mass and population. It covers 30% of Earth's land mass. Asia, along with Europe, make Eurasia, which is divided by Ural Mountain. By water bounded on three sides: Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world after Asia. Continent of Africa covers 20.4% of Earth's land mass. It is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea and Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. North America. North America is the third largest continent. It has about 16.5% of Earth's land mass. It is surrounded by four water bodies: Arctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea and Pacific Ocean. South America. South America is the fourth largest continent. It is bordered by Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. South America is home to world's highest waterfall, world's largest river by volume, world's longest mountain range, and many other geographical wonders. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. About 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice that average about 1.6 kilometers in thickness. It is world's coldest and driest continent. It is considered as desert because there is only 8 inches of rainfall. Temperature in Antarctica can drop to as low as -89 degrees Celsius. Antarctica is home to variety of penguin species. Europe. Europe is the world's second smallest continent by surface and area, the third populous continent. It covers about 6.8% of Earth's land mass. It is surrounded by four water bodies: Arctic Ocean, Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and lowest human inhabited continent on the earth. As Australia is mostly on single landmass, it is also referred to as an island continent because it is surrounded by four oceans. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Southern Ocean. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Arnav Wankhede. Thanks.